Range Rover's second-row safety belts have special locking mechanisms which aid the retention of child seats. The two outboard seats in the second row are compatible with safety belt-restrained child seats and tether anchors. To install a safety belt-restrained child seat, place the seat in the vehicle. If the seat has a tether strap, release the seat back and pull the seat forward. Pass the tether strap beneath the head restraint and over the back of the vehicle seat. Attach the clip to the tether anchor, but leave the webbing loose. Push the seat back until it latches. Push the child seat against the seat back. Attach the safety belt and secure the buckle in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Pull the shoulder section of the belt all the way out. This will engage the automatic locking feature, which then acts as a ratchet to retract the webbing. You will hear a clicking sound. Let the safety belt retract while pushing the child seat into the vehicle seat. Ensure there is no slack in the safety belt by pulling on the shoulder belt immediately above the child restraint. The safety belt should now be locked and the child seat held firmly into position. Tighten the tether strap according to the manufacturer's instructions to remove any slack in the webbing. Always engage the child-proof locks on the rear doors. If you have any questions regarding the safety or installation of your car seat, contact the seat's manufacturer. The safety belt automatic locking mechanism can be used to secure large items such as luggage. This will help to keep them secured.